arXiv just announced it will ban researchers who upload AI-generated paper slop. The open science layer is being forced to police what AI broke. arXiv has been the open repository for physics, math, and computer science preprints for over 3 decades. Researchers upload work before peer review. The field reads it, cites it, builds on it. The system was designed around an assumption that submissions represented real work. Incremental contributions, novel results, honest negative findings. That assumption held for decades because writing a paper was harder than not writing one. Frontier language models broke that assumption in under 2 years. Submission volume in machine learning categories exploded with content that looked like research but was not. arXiv announced new policies allowing moderators to ban submitters whose papers are filled with what they call AI slop, text that is plausibly written but factually empty, fabricated citations, generated figures with no underlying data. Repeat offenders face long-term submission bans. The change follows months of moderator load and reader complaints, and several high-profile retractions traced to fully AI-authored manuscripts that fooled cursory review. arXiv is not banning AI assistance outright. It is banning submissions where AI is the substance, not a tool. The Verge reported the policy this week as part of a broader pattern of open science venues hardening against generated content. The signal under the policy is not about academic publishing. It is about what happens when general-purpose AI is pointed at specialized work. Frontier models trained on the whole internet are excellent at producing plausible-looking output in any domain. They are mediocre at producing correct output in a regulated or specialized one. For a federal compliance practice, a tribal council records review, a legal discovery workflow, the failure mode is the same as the arXiv failure mode. Surface fluency, substantive emptiness. The harness pattern inverts that. Custom agentic system engineered around one workflow, anchored on a corpus the client owns, with the inference layer chosen for the task. Output gets checked against ground truth, not against vibes. The pushback is that frontier models keep getting better, and the slop problem solves itself once the next generation lands. That misreads the arXiv data. The papers being banned were not produced by weak models. They were produced by strong models pointed at the wrong job. Capability does not fix substrate. A specialized workflow needs a system designed against a known ground truth, not a smarter generalist guessing at one. If your work is specialized, federal compliance, regulated filings, legal counsel, and the cost of AI slop in your output is a career. See SlipSpace AI. Custom agentic AI, harnessed around the work that has to be right.